How to reset Google account password 2026. So to reset your Google account password while logged in, if you remember your current password and just want to update, open your Gmail app, then tap your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen, then tap Manage your Google account. Now go to Security and Sign In, then go to How you sign into Google and then tap on Password. Now tap Continue to use your passkey, then type your current password if asked, and then type your new password twice, then tap Change Password. Now if you're logged out and do not know your current password, go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari, then go to Google account recovery link, then type your Google account email or phone number, then tap Next, and then tap Try Another Way. When it asks for your password, then approve the prompt, send to your logged in phone, or check for a text or email verification code sent to your recovery phone number or email address, and then enter the verification code and then create a new secure password. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.